Reasons why you are not satisfied with your job. How many times have you said one or more of these excuses for staying in a job you no longer love? 1. It's secure, I have seniority. 2. I like my coworkers. 3. I know how to do the job. 4. The devil you know is better than the one you don't. 5. I'm too old to change jobs, who would hire me? 6. It's difficult to find a job in this economy. 7. It's not that bad working here. 8. I don't know what I would do instead of this job. 9. I don't want my boss to find out I'm job hunting. 10. I need a steady income for my kids. 85% of workers worldwide admit to hating their jobs when surveyed anonymously, according to a Gallup poll released in August 2017. Why would people stay in a job they no longer love? The answer is less complicated than one might think. Many people who are stuck in a career they no longer love is because they are hesitant to ask for advice. They think this is just a function of being an adult. We have been indoctrinated and conditioned to believe that asking for advice is a sign of incompetence or weakness. In most areas of your life, you can successfully get through the day by doing the things you already know as an adult, or by reading an article or book. Do a search on the internet and voila, articles and book titles pop onto the page. However, an article or book doesn't give the unique contingencies or needs that you might face. It is almost a lost skill to reach out and ask for advice. Another reason you might stay stuck is that you are reaching out to people who have an agenda of their own, which is often quite different from yours. Why is this even important? People who feel stuck need a safe, objective, non-judgmental space where they can talk things through. As a coach, I say I genuinely care about my clients, but I don't care what they do, which is very different from how a spouse, parent, colleague or friend might approach giving advice. Often, without realizing it, a person in your life has some other agenda for you. So, the first thing I do is create a safe frame of reference for each person based on their needs. What are the key factors with the best ROI? With such an abundance of online self-assessment tools, it's easy to fall into analysis paralysis. I see that frequently, when people are thinking a lot, taking a lot of assessments. Self-analysis is a great thing. But sometimes people get lost in those questions. They think the answer will be found by digging deeper within themselves. The answer is found both by digging into yourself to clear out old habits, beliefs, and perceived mistakes to build a strong foundation of self-empowerment. Then move into the real world and test your ideas, and get more clarity by taking action. That action could be talking to somebody about what you are thinking of doing, or something on the side, volunteering, or learning a little bit more about your idea. But it's really that interaction between yourself and the real world is where the magic transpires. Looking back, you might realize something you didn't at the time, that you were blinded in your view of the world of work. All you might know is the industry you are in. Or you might have surface-level visibility of other careers, but there are many fields and roles that might be completely off your radar screen. Researching other similar careers will broaden the scope for a career change. Many people are leaving the 9-to-5 existence to start a business. For years I've been telling you a 9-to-5 job seldom creates financial success for the majority of people. Financial success comes from at least 2 streams of income. It depends on how much wealth you desire. 5, 6 or 7 figures. According to Robert Kiyosaki, author of the best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, the number one thing people can do to increase their financial success is to start a part-time business that can be taken to a full-time income, depending on the level of financial success you desire. Charles Handy, author, The Age of Unreason, states, in an era when change is constant, random, and it is discontinuous, it is necessary to break out of old ways of thinking in order to use change to our advantage. Handy examines how dramatic changes are transforming business, education, and the nature of work. We can see it in astounding new developments in technology, in the shift in demand from manual to cerebral skills, and in the virtual disappearance of lifelong, full-time jobs. Handy maintains that discontinuous change requires discontinuous, upside-down thinking, and discusses the need for new kinds of organizations, new approaches to work, new types of schools, and new ideas about the nature of our society. Whether you start a small home-based business, an internet business, or a network marketing business *. Owning your own business is the first step toward financial success, however. Most people don't know what business to start, or how to get started building a business. Keeping it simple is best. Make it easy, and make it affordable to everyone. A business coach can assist you to decide what business would best fit your skills, talent, and temperament. This moment is the first moment of the rest of your life. Yes, I have assisted people as young as 5 and those who are 80 plus. Are you willing to take the steps required to claim your happiness, success, fulfillment, and enlightenment? Will you take advantage of the opportunity to create a new reality for your life? It's time to shift and get prepared for what's coming up for your life, so I want you to put your heart and soul into paying close attention to how much mental, emotional, and physical pain you are in. Then, step by step, you can make the shift gently, easily, and without having to deal with the mental and emotional pain and stress of not knowing what to do, not feeling your best, and all the other old ways that are holding you back. Remember, you might need to ask for assistance. I want your daily feeling of being overwhelmed to be replaced with a feeling of freedom throughout your day. I look forward to giving you the tools to help you conquer the everyday fears that hold you back. Here's to living your dream life now. There is no shame in asking for assistance to create happiness and success. If you have read the books, taken workshops, had psychic readings, taken prescriptions, and OTC drugs, etc., and still struggle, you might have emotional blocks preventing you from moving into your happiness and desires. You might need to ask for assistance to clear out the self-doubt, fear, guilt, shame, or unworthiness. Here's to living your dream life now. There is no shame in asking for assistance to create happiness and success. If you have read the books, taken workshops, had psychic readings, taken prescriptions, and OTC drugs, etc., and still struggle, you might have emotional blocks preventing you from moving into your happiness and desires. This is an investment in your health, happiness, success, fulfillment, and empowerment. Following the principles in this process will change your life forever, and I want you to experience it yourself as soon as possible. Remember, only you can take care of your happiness and mental, emotional, physical health and professional success. You can do it. Many other people were just like you until they took action. You can always make it as long as you believe. Check out the link in the description below for a life change opportunity that has given people peace and the life they have always dreamt of. I don't know what your dream is, but it's about to come to if choose to believe and take action. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you again.